Lord. What's up, gang? Today we're gonna be doing lock pedals. I know I don't have a official tutorial video on this to link in the card section, but this one may work as both. So today we're gonna do a tutorial video, like a official tutorial video and a style video. So a good 2 for 1. So lock pedals can help, well, pedals when doing them on hair can help for, you know, adding volume and shortening longer locks. So it takes your lock it can take your lock up to like 1/4 the size of what it is, because you can roll it up about like 4 times if you do it right. But for me, I only want to take like half the size off right now and bring me back down to about, you know, shoulder length. For this, all you'll need is some rubber bands and of course locks. So what you're gonna do is take the lock, fold it up, put the end at the root, apply the rubber band. I only like wrap it twice because I just want it on there enough to hold it. I don't need it super tight or anything like that. And then it's there. So when you have your hair and it's not in plaits or twists or anything, and you do these lock pedals, it makes it look way more fuller, and then you don't have a chance to see so much of the rubber band because there's so many on top of each other once you fold it up really small. So keep that in mind as you're watching and doing this style. So you can do it. I'm just trying to show you the versatility of the lock pedals. You can do it pretty much on any styled hair. It doesn't just have to be your loose hair. So I'm gonna finish this. In traffic. So I'll give y'all a final look once I get to work. I'll walk out and show you guys. But that's essentially what it is. That's all it takes to kind of do the lock pedal, and you can see the difference it does in size. So it's like a real big difference. So if you're looking to add like volume and stuff to your regular locks, and you want us to do like a fro almost, you can definitely execute that with lock pedals. So gotta run. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Get under some light. It really like shrinks your hair and gives it that volume you need. I put an extra rubber band on the end of mine because I didn't like how much volume it had. Like it was just too much for me to handle. So that plus the rubber bands at the beginning. So if I were to wear this style, you know, again like this, I would probably do some kind of head thing on the base, so just like the lock show. Yeah, because I don't like the rubber band part, the end like that. So, but it is a style. It's lock pedals, and it does give you that tutorial that I've been itching to do, but just haven't had the time. So, okay, you can see here. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, answer any poll cards that have popped out in the top in the corner. Until next time, be easy.